Alright, we're gonna do a cabin filter change real quick. And this 06 Corolla will be the same for 2003 to 2008. Whether you got the CE, S, or XRS, doesn't matter. So it's up here and under your glove box. You need to remove this Phillips screw to detach this arm. Okay, once the screw's out, the arm just pushes out of the way. And then there's a tab up here, and the same on the other side, that you need to squeeze the sides of the glove box in, and then the whole thing will drop. So it's probably better to not have all this shit in here. Like that. Same on the other side. Okay. And then it'll just pop out. And right here at the bottom, I'm dropping shit. You just have those right there that hook in. Just kind of rests on there. Okay, then there's just this cover right here. Pop off. Oh. Okay, well that tab was already broken, which is why that sag came out so easy. So you just push this in and then you can pop out the other side. So there's the nasty ass filter. Oh yeah. Install your new filter. I don't know why this print is upside down, because the airflow arrow is supposed to be pointing down. So you would think they would have printed the words right side up, but they didn't. So airflow arrow points down. Cover back on. Alright, line those hooks up. Sides are, well, they're already popped back in. Just got to reattach our arm here. Sorry, I don't know why it's blurry. Okay, all done. Ooh, that blows a lot more.